What if all 8 billion of us sneezed at the exact same time? It would be a hurricane of sneezes. Let's do the math. First, the speed. Each sneeze travels at 160 kilometers per hour. Then, the air. We'd expel 320 million liters of air. That's enough to fill 64 giant blimps. And the droplets. 320 trillion droplets would fly through the air. But what about the sound? It would be 179 decibels. Louder than a jet engine. Would it move the clouds? Probably not. But it would be the biggest, loudest, and most epic sneeze in human history. Bless you all.